Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What is up, guys? Today in this occasion, I would like to review about my recent project in my journey of full stack developer. And in this project, I will show you about the website I create from laravel and also my SQL, which is an payroll website. So if you enter if the first one, if you enter this website, it will show you the landing page of the website. As you can see right here, there's a hero page with the tools, CTA, which you can start sign in or even see how it works. Scrolling below, there's about page that explains pretty much about our website. And the next is we there's some kind of trusted by innovative agencies which I can add in the admin dashboard. So it will show you that how many companies have been used this website. And for the next is I also add some kind of tutorial to explain you guys of how the website is actually works. So the first one is you connect your bank, add your teams, and roll the payroll. And the next is I will show you the features page, which will show you guys about the features I include in this website. And there's also FAQ and lastly the review section. You can actually add some review after you sign in into this website. So I'll just back up. And after that, there's a CTA where you can start sign in to the website and start your payroll. And later on, you can sign in and access the dashboard. How we can actually sign in this website? So the first one is you need to open your this get start button, or even you can see all of them. Or there's two methods of signing here. So the first one is you sign in by manually filling your register form or even continue with Google. But since there's so many problems I faced to make this register with Google, so I will just skip it and continue by normal sign in. What if you've been signing to this website? You can easily log in back in here only using your email and also your password. Okay, so after you sign in, I will show you guys the pretty much feature you could actually access from this website. So this is the views after you log in or after you register to this website. Actually, if the first one, you will actually face some kind of confirmation of what team are you joining with or are you want to make a new team or something. I will show you after I registered on this website. As you can see right here, after I sign up to my website, it will show you the option to create a new team or join an existing team and how to join this existing team. So the owner of the team will have an access to invite code and later on if you copy that code and fill it into here, you will actually join the team itself. But since I don't have the codes, I will just make a new team and explain you the owner feature. After you create the team, it will show you guys about pretty much of this payroll website. So since you are admin here or the owner, you have a full authority to access your website. For example, let's see from the overall of this admin. So in this panel, you can actually add some kind of company budget to decide what kind of fund or total company money did you have in your company. And after that, you can actually run a payroll here if you have some kind of teammates or even employees. So later on, if you have some employees, you can actually start by you can actually start making or even accepting their own payroll. Continue with the next is what I showed you before that this website have some unique features which is expand protocol. How is it work? So after you copy this code and after you sign up, there will be a kind of form to fill, right? like making new team or join existing team. With this key, you can actually access the previous team with easily. So after you copy this code and later you want to join a team, you can actually join this team up. So I'll just copy it. So later on, I will show you guys how it actually works. And here you could actually add some payroll date. So if you are too lazy to manually accepting all of this payroll, you could actually just add an automate. I just add the feature to automatically track and date of the payroll dates. So you could actually fund your money or monitor your payroll easily without any effort. And the next is a leave center. It is just like an approval if you want to have some permission to leave. For example, if you have a sick or even vacation. In here, you can actually request some leave request or permission request, and if you are an admin, you can actually accept all of those requests. And for the last is the profile settings. I know it's not really necessary, but it's just like some kind of additional feature. Right here, you can actually upload your image or even your proto profile and edit your names, emails, or even something similar to that. And after you update all of those, you can actually sign it up and it will automatically update the database. Okay, since I've done about all of this feature, I will explain you guys about how this website actually works multi-platform. As you can see right here, it is work in the PC, right? But I will show you how it actually works in mobile. You see right here in the mobile, it will show you about the pretty much same website but with mobile menu. So you can, for you mobile user, you can actually actually access the website easily without any trouble. Since I make it responsible in all of these devices, for example, like an tablets or even Android phone or even iPhone. And that's pretty much about the payroll side. So I will show you the example of how to join a team and how can you work as an employee in this website. So the first step is if you are an owner, you could actually copy this protocol code or even reset it if you want to get it in the new one. And after that, you could actually really join the team if you are a new user. So I will just fill up with dummy data right here and I will show you guys if what happened after you join this website by using employees access since you're employee to the company. As you can see, before I show you guys about the how to create a new team, right? So I will just show you what if we join a team. So later on, after you get the code, you can actually copy it and just sign it up right here. And you will automatically join this website. So in here you can actually see this payroll expected date, which is the automatically payroll update. So the owner can actually manage it really easy without any effort. There's also live local time, which show you the local time of your country or even your island. So in here you can actually check the attendance center and you can actually log your to show your status as an online. In here also you can actually request some payroll that will be requested to the owner. So after you request all of this amount, you can actually see the payroll is working right now and it is pending. After the owner accepts the payroll, it will show the status success. You can actually see your transaction or your payouts right here. the payout history, and for the and you can actually check all of your partner or even owner right here. And rest of the future is just like the same, but if you are a client, you cannot access the finance of the company since only owner or higher your employees can actually access it. And probably that's enough about how I can explain about this payroll website. So each website is just a simple payroll website with you can actually manage and multi-platform or multi-groups payroll in just one time. Each website is created to help some kind of company who have started its business but still struggle to make its own website, especially in dashboard. This website will help you out in creating a managed payroll system for your company. And and probably that's it. I can explain for today. Thank you for listening to my video. See you in the next video.